Okay, in the last section we looked at elimination where everything was already lined up and we can add or subtract it right away. Let's take a look at two equations. Y equals negative 6x plus 2 and y plus 4x equals 0. So the equation on the left is y equals x comma number. And the equation on the right is y comma number equals, y comma x equals number. So they're not lined up. So we have to get them to be lined up. So you can work on either. I like to trick you. I know you probably want to turn it into y equals, but I'm just not going to. So I'm going to add 6x to both sides of this one. So now it says y plus 6x equals negative 6 plus x. Plus 6x is 0 plus 2. And now they're both in the form y comma x equals number. That order doesn't matter, but they have to be in the same order. So it doesn't always have to be y or x first or number or whatever, but in order to do this, they have to be the same. So in the notes, I've very carefully identified equation number 1 and equation number 2. Now I can just look at them, and I have y, and I have y, and y minus y is 0. So I can put one of the equations directly below the other one. Now, because I already did an algebraic step, I don't want to do it right now, or it's really tough to read your notes. So I'm going to skip a line or two and rewrite the equation above, and then put this equation down here instead. Y plus 4x equals 0. Brackets around the equation on the bottom, over. Y minus y, not plus, is 0. We looked at whether or not we can do plus or minus in the last section. So y minus y is 0, so cross it off. 6x minus positive 4x is 2x. And 2 minus 0 is 2. So then we can divide both sides by 2, and x equals, on the left-hand side, 2 over 2 is 1. On the right-hand side, 2 divided by 2 is 1. Circle your answer. Look at this equation over here staring us in the face. Let's write it down. Notice again, I used the other equation in the notes. This one doesn't matter. So let's substitute. So we got an x value of 1, so y plus 4 open bracket, 1 close bracket, substituting 1 in for x equals 0 still. Clean it up. Y plus 4 times 1 is 4 equals 0. Subtract 4 from both sides. Y, 4 minus 4 is 0, equals 0 minus 4 is negative 4. Circle your answer. Immediately write the intersection. X was 1, y was negative 4, x and y, 2 circles around it as a final answer compared to our partial answers. So that is, top right, have to line up. So in the last section we saw it where you didn't have to line them up. They were already lined up for you, and they were very easy eliminating, just like this one. But in the last section, we added and subtracted. This section, we lined up the terms first, then added or subtracted. And you can eliminate x or y. The last page, we eliminated x the whole time. Here, we just eliminated y, whatever.